Pavani Ayurveda's Vata Skincare Ritual is designed for people with Vata type skin, or if you're experiencing a Vata imbalance in the skin. How would you know if you're experiencing a Vata imbalance though? And also, what is Vata type skin? Well, Vata type skin is prone to dryness and it's also prone to premature wrinkles. And also, Vata type skin can look a little dull sometimes. So, Pavani's Vata Skincare Ritual keeps all of that in mind, and the herbs that we've chosen for our Vata cleanser and mask, Vata toner, and Vata serum, all of the herbs contained within these products really help to support Vata type skin. So after using these products, your skin's going to have this nice all natural glow to it, and it'll start to feel more moisturized, hydrated, and nourished. So what exactly comes with your Vata skincare ritual is this cleanser and mask. You can use it daily as a cleanser and also once a week as a mask. So that's step one. Step two in the Vata skincare ritual is using the Vata toner. This will help even out skin tone, and also it can help heal the skin because it has herbs like comfrey and chamomile and calendula. And to provide some hydrating nourishment, you have the Vata serum. It has amazing oils like sesame oil, rosehip seed oil, argan oil, apricot oil to just really help support the health of your skin. Also included in your Vata skincare ritual is a 2-ounce floral water. And this is a great thing to combine with your serum. You'll combine 3 to 6 drops of the serum with 3 to 6 drops of the floral water. You combine that in the palm of your hands, and then you'll apply that onto the skin with gentle upward strokes. So the floral water really helps the serum absorb into the layers of the skin really nicely. And you could also use the floral water with your powdered cleanser and mask as well. So that's really nice. And I also love that the Vata Skincare Ritual comes with this little card, and it's chock full of tips to help support, heal, and balance Vata type skin. So I love that this little card comes with a Vata Skincare Ritual.